marorete gucoka cukuru Kiumia Giukite, aciari riu ni maihuritwo ni wagagu ni undu wa thogora wa iguru wa indo cia gucokia ciana ciao cukuru ta uniform na mabuku. Hamwe makiuga kigiriko kia mwaka muhituku gia thogora wa iguru wa muturire kiahota kumarumirira mwaka-ini uyu mweru.
Mimi nimefika hapa nikatafuta natafuta nguo za shule. Nguo za shule ziko lakini iko very expensive. Sijui tutafanyaje. Hii mwaka imeongezwa.
Duka-ini ino ya mabuku aciari hamwe na arutwo ni magwikinyitie na namba nene. Muoroto wao uri kwihariria mbere ya cukuru cihinguritwo. Riri amwe magekaya uri mabuku mongereirwo noguo makahinyiririka.
Jina yangu naitwa Maaritie Jenga. Nimetoka kutafuta uniform ya mtoto. Lakini iko bei kali sana. Bei iko juu. Nimenunua 11,000. Sasa kwa moja na pia ni kama 12,000 sasa hijamalizia kuna singine.
Kaunti-ini ya Nakuru aciari maringiriirio gubanga raini kwa mathaa maingi duka-ini cia mabuku kuria aingi riu maratetia thogora wa iguru wa githomo.
Fees or the increment of fees, for example, day schools were very free. Now there is a new introduction that the parents will pay something. We also have the increment in fees for county and extra county and national schools.
Simon Karanja uria ni mwarimu ni ataririe uria githomo githiete na mbere kugia goro, agitariria uria macukuru makoretwo makiagagia aciari na marihi maingi maria matangitaririo. Riu aikiarite na kuri thirikari kuingirira na kunina kuhinyiririka kuria aciari makoretwo makihinyiririo ni macukuru.
My name's Simon Karanja Muigai, a teacher by profession. But what makes me worry and wonder is about how these poor parents are being made by desks. In every grade 1 intake, a parent is told to come with a desk. And when you bring a desk, a little desk which is chargeable, you are told to take the desk back home and bring cash money. The cash money which are never received. And this matter is most rampant in Nakuru city.
Nice one.
And you find, taking a child in grade 1, in the school, unakuta mzazi anaambiwa 24,000 shillings. Mahesabu sijui inatoka wapi. Kiti, sijui nini. Inakuja 24,000 shillings. But all the same naambia waziri. I'm telling people, the minister, that things are not good here. Wazazi wanaibiwa pesa. Money is being extorted.
Mutaratara mweru wa githomo wa CBC ni umwe wa maundu maria marahinyiriria aciari aria riu moretie thirikari kuingirira na kunyihia indo iria ciana ciretio mutaratara-ini wa CBC. Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV ni njitagwo Bashia wa Njere.